Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find Wi-Fi direct password of HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. Option 1. If you are using HP Smart application, find your printer in this application, make sure it's ready to work, tap on your printer's name and go to Network Information. Now tap on Wi-Fi Direct. And here you can see your Wi-Fi direct name and security passcode. Option 2. Make sure your printer is powered on. Then if your display is sleeping, wake up your display. Just press any button to do it. And now press and hold the copy button until the power indicator starts blinking. Like this, and now release the button. The printer gives you 2 pages of information and you need the second one. This one you don't need, but you need this. On this page, look at the lower section called Wi-Fi Direct Setup. So here is your Wi-Fi direct name, here is your Wi-Fi direct password, and to change this password you need to write down also IPv4 address from here. Next, on your computer, open a web browser and in the search bar enter that IP address, hit enter, and it takes you to your printer's admin panel. And now select Networking tab over here, and from the left panel go to Wi-Fi Direct Setup. In this window click Yes. And now switch connection method to automatic, from automatic to manual. Now you can change your passwords and apply your settings when you're done. Also, you can do the same thing from any mobile browser, but make sure your device is connected to the same network as your printer. And I recommend you to do this on computer because it's much more convenient. Now you know everything to find and change your password on HP LaserJet MFP M28w, and I hope this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys!